Hi, my name is Avinash and welcome to the Film Gene. Recently, I watched the movie Court, directed by Chaitanya Tamhane. It was released in 2014 and I don't know how I missed watching this. It was such a refreshing movie, and when the film ended, I was really curious to know how did they make this film. Court is a legal drama. A local singer activist Narayan Kamble is arrested because he is accused of inciting the suicide of a manhole worker. The film portrays how his lawyer defends him in court. But what I found fascinating about this movie is it gives us a glimpse into the lives of people who are involved in this trial. We see the personal lives of lawyers and the judge too. We see them traveling on a local train, juggling work and family, fighting with parents over the topic of marriage, going to a vacation, and so on. The lawyer representing Narayan Kamble is well off. He lives in a big house with a security guard, whereas the public prosecutor comes from a middle-class family. I love the conversation she has with the person on the train, where they talk about random things like how costly olive oil is. The glimpse at their lives outside the court gives us an idea about their value systems. My idea of how a court looks and works in India is heavily influenced by Bollywood movies and TV serials which I had watched growing up. And after watching this movie, I realized how wrong I was. In this film, there are no dramatic monologues by the lawyers, but rather a dry reading of charges. I love the production design. The courtroom has stack of files and peeling paint. In one of the interviews, the director talks about how they hired an old train that looked similar to the one his mother used to travel, just to recreate the Mumbai of the 90s. The director also talks about how they researched for the film by going to courts and studying the people closely. While watching the film, I could feel the frustration and the stress of being part of a trial. The film has non-professional actors who have never appeared on screen before. The character of Narayan Kamble is played by Veera Satardar, who is a real-life social activist. And in one of the interviews, he says how the things that happened to his character on screen, it has happened to him in real life too. The song sung by the activist is written by Sambhaji Bhagat, who is also a real-life activist and performs these protest songs on his own. The observational style of filmmaking suits this story well. The director makes use of long takes and humor at many places to show the absurdity of certain real-life scenarios. Please check out this movie. It's available on Netflix. That's all for now. See you all in the next one.